conspired to make you mine. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. Too many foolish people trying to come between us. None of them seem to matter. When I look into your eyes, now I know why I belong here. In your arms I found the answer. Somehow nothing would seem so wrong here if they'd only realize that I was born for you, that you were born for me. And in this random world, this was clearly meant to be. What we have the world could never understand or ever take away. Until the day I die, I bless the day that I was born for you. What we have the world could never understand or ever take away. And as the years go by, until the day